Hello and welcome. My name is Ramkesh Singh. I am thrilled to have you here for very first video in the WebXR with the Unity course. I have created many Udemy courses. I am teaching on the YouTube from 2015 and in this course basically we are going to cover so many stuff from very basic of WebXR and we are going to cover advanced level of stuff like how we are going to perform the body tracking, how we are going to create the multiplayer, as well as we will understand that in the WebXR how to create the AR application, how to create MetaQuest mixed reality application, how to create VR application. So just I'm going to share with you the very demo video where I have recorded and one utilities videos where you can see that what is the scope of mixed reality. So throughout this course I will be your instructor and where we will learn so many stuff. I'm 100% sure that after this course you will be confident in the WebXR. Let me dive in our some videos I have just recorded so that I have to not veer and properly you can see everything. So here I am in my MetaQuest device and here we are in one browser and here you can see currently we are open. So I saw one website that is from Puma and that is the shoes. So basically we got the prototype from the one client where he wanted this kind of stuff using the WebXR, and there was really I was wondered to see that use case. Basically the link we are getting from the website and from there after clicking you are able to see the shoes, how it looks like, and you can also measure your feet. So it's really amazing to create this kind of stuff. Like you are just we are using the MetaQuest 3 and some store you have the MetaQuest 3 and you are just able to utilize that to show the product. So that's amazing, and that is running from the browser, so that is great. And after that I want to show you few stuff also. Like here you can see that whenever we are running here, so whenever here you can see AR and VR. So whenever we are running on the VR, so just we are able to just snap in the VR scene where we are able to interact with the things, and we can use the UI, we can do everything. Like we can create the metaverse, we can create the games, and after that whenever you are going to click on the AR stuff, so you are able to just open your mixed reality stuff. So nowadays there are really lots of use cases, and whenever you are going to use the browser, so that is the control. Like in today business, people have their own website and people can show their product using the mixed reality. So that is great use of it. So these are the basic stuff I share to you so that you know that what are the scope, and to creating this we will we will take the asset, we will show you that how we can grab the another object or replace the object. So everything you are going to cover, and we will also cover like this the things are models. So how much poly count you should have in your VR application or in the WebXR. So that is going to be a very amazing stuff. And in case of my introduction, so in next part we are going to talk about the introduction, but basic introduction that I am the Ramkesh Singh and I am the founder of Nested Mango. I am the senior XR developer and I am on the YouTube from 2015 where I am teaching the programming. I teach the Android development, where I teach the Unity game development, and from last 6 months I think I am teaching on the Udemy. So many courses we have, and we are getting the great response from you. We are also thrilled to launch new courses, and we are also offered the free courses to few peoples who cannot afford. So many people just come to me and they message me, so I provide them the coupons so that they can also get the courses. So that's it, and I'm excited to see you in next part. So bye bye, take care.